you can actually just get a kit, select it, and it will work in game. The way we're going to do this is steal a tweak file off another one. So I'm just going to grab the tweak file off the MEC G3 with the optics. Okay, I actually don't have the files. Give me a minute. Alright, tweak file. Copy that. Alright, so you just copy the tweak file from whatever weapon you're stealing the tweak file. Not stealing, borrowing the tweak file from. Basically using it as a template and pasting it into your main folder. You then need to rename it exactly the same as your con file. Like so. It'll still say tweak. Open that up, and then you'll, if you're like me and hate code, it's pretty simple, but don't get intimidated. Alright, fourth line down, there should be object, template, active safe, generic firearm, blah blah blah. Change the MSC rifle G3 scope, just paste that again with the name of your weapon. Scroll down, and before this rem line here, before it starts going on about sounds, we need to change this line and this line. Alright? So basically we're just replacing the MEC crap with our name of our weapon, like so. Just save that, and that should be good. I'll pause this, I'll boot up editor, and we'll see if it works. Alright, so boot it up editor. First thing first, we're in object editor. We're just going to go through PR edit, objects, weapons, handheld, and go through my mighty list till we get there. And here, and tut, here it is. Open that up, double click it, and there we go. She's exported, she's in game. And what we're actually going to try now is see how well everything works here. Now I've actually got a funny idea that I may have screwed something up, which is nothing new. Yeah, okay, good, I did. So I'm going to actually explain what I did wrong. I forgot to, as you can see here, it doesn't line up. So what I'm going to do is go back in the editor, select all, select all the actual meshes, not the dummies. And then from there, just go hierarchy, effect pivot point, transform. If that doesn't make any difference, what we're going to do there is just go in X, Y, and Z, 0, 0, 0. There we go. And then again, export. Okay. Back in here, we'll just go object editor again. So we can reload the object, which we can do just by going over to here, reload geometry, hit that, done. Alright, so we'll go back into animation editor and we'll give that another go. Let's find it. There we go. Open that up again. What do we got? Voila, she works perfectly fine because we stole the G3 tweak file. It's using those animations. So if we actually went in and it will use those. Sorry, I got a crappy computer, so it lags. As you can see, uses the animations perfect. Alright. Beauty. Alright, so that's how you export an assault rifle. Same goes for pretty much every weapon. Anything from a grenade, knife, or knives are a little bit more simple. Obviously, you wouldn't need a scoped up reticle, so you won't have a LOD 1 under your geometry 0. Yeah, so knives, nades, assault rifles, machine guns, rocket launchers, whatever it is, handheld weapon, that's how you do it. Obviously, I think there's other ways of doing it, so don't quote me on this. It's the actual only way of doing it. It's the way I do it. Works. Hope you learned something from it, and I apologise for my cold because I'm sure my voice sounds like shit because of it, and I know I'm not the best at explaining some things, so bear with me on that. Have a good one.